Now let's train. Exercise 1. Choose the right pronoun for each of the following sentences. Pause the video to do the exercise yourselves, and then let's do it together. You ready? Let's go. He calls his or her his mom every day. I don't understand this equation. Can you help us or me? Can you help me? Very good. My father is late. I am waiting for him. They are looking at themselves in the mirror. Excellent job. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Choose the right object pronoun. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. She can call her now. I am waiting for them. Don't forget to call we or us. Us. Don't forget to call us. Very good. Now answer the following questions by using the information in between brackets. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. Whose map is this? William. It's William's. Whose bikes are they? Taylor. They are Taylor's. Very good. So we have come to the end of this video. If you understood the lesson, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next.